Well, what do I say? I want to first of all thank all the people who subscribed to the channel to get us to over 200 subscribers. Currently we are on 273, and I'd just like to say a massive thank you to all. As promised, we said we would do a giveaway at 200 subscribers. As of that, here we go. So, you will have a choice of one of 3 items of your choice, between either an EPM1 magazine for an M4 in colour of your choosing, which hold 250 rounds. Second is a pair of anti-fog goggles that one of the dads, Nathan, currently uses. I will say, if you have a small head, as for instance I do, the glasses are / goggles are actually quite big. The third item to choose from is a UV9R full waterproof radio, which we are now currently running as we have had issues with the old radios and water damage. For this first competition, it will be UK only. So as I say, you will have a choice of one of 3 of these items. The rules to enter into the competition will be to comment, like, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And then in the upcoming video is to look out for, or listen out for, a secret word that will probably be repeated about 4 times. 2 weeks after that video will come out, we would then do the roll on a website which picks out a random comment, and we will contact you directly, and at this point you need to tell us the secret word. As of that, thank you very much for all your support. Thank you very much.